Parliament on, protests on, but bills being passed one after the other. So 5 major bills being passed today in various houses. Let's just look at those. And also, of course, the Prime Minister saying the opposition scoring self-goals, but protests continuing outside Parliament as well as the Supreme Court hearing the Pegasus case.
2 दिन फेबर will please say aye. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill.
नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर के हिसाब से बंद किया जाए। दिन रात काम कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे सेवा दे रहे हैं, अपनी वो सेवा करें।
Will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted.
What is happening is completely unconstitutional. It is the model of democracy.
पूरे के पूरे सदन के को हाईजैक करना चाहते हैं।
हमारा करोड़ रुपया खर्च हो रहा है और आप संसद में नारेबाजी कर रहे हैं।
The Pegasus phone hacking scandal rocked Parliament for the 14th day. Outside, Rahul Gandhi led a Congress protest.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पेगासस को आपके फोन के अंदर डाला है। सिर्फ मेरे फोन के अंदर नहीं, सिर्फ मेरे फोन के अंदर नहीं, हिंदुस्तान के हर युवा के फोन के अंदर नरेंद्र मोदी ने पेगासस का आइडिया डाला है।
एक तरफ हमारा देश, हमारे युवा भारत के लिए नई सिद्धियां प्राप्त कर रहे हैं, तो वहीं देश में कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो राजनीतिक स्वार्थ के में डूब करके ऐसी चीजें कर रहे हैं, लगता है सेल्फ गोल करने में जुटे हैं।
This on a day the top court announced it will examine the issue next Tuesday, calling for a government representative and saying the truth has to come out. Acting on 9 petitions, including those by the Editors Guild of India and other senior journalists for a court-monitored probe, the 2-member bench led by the Chief Justice said, the allegations are serious if media reports are correct. When senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who was representing the petitioners, said, as per the NSO group, Pegasus can be purchased only by vetted governments, the Chief Justice asked, what if state governments buy it? To which Sibal replied, I think only the central government can buy it. A probe by a group of 17 media organizations across several countries recently revealed that thousands of verified mobile phone numbers, including those of politicians, journalists, business persons and activists, could have been targeted for hacking through the Pegasus spyware of the Israeli company NSO Group. 155 people on the list were from India. The centre, however, has called the Pegasus controversy a non-issue and a non-serious issue. The judges also questioned the petitioners, who are being represented by some of India's top lawyers, including Kapil Sibal, Shyam Diwan and Rakesh Dwivedi. The Chief Justice asked, mostly all petitions are based on media reports. There is a lack of verifiable material. If the phones are hacked, why is there no FIR filed? The petitioners replied, there are 37 verifiable cases of interception. Complaint has not been filed as a high-level probe is needed, and the reports of an old number of a former Supreme Court judge and phones of registrars are on the list of potential targets of snooping. To which the Chief Justice of India said, the truth has to come out. We don't know whose names are there. Hand over the copies of the petitions to the government and let them be here on Tuesday.
Centre has so far maintained its stand in the Parliament that there was no unauthorized surveillance, but has refused the opposition's demands for holding a debate on the issue in the Parliament. But now it will have to answer in the Supreme Court. In New Delhi, this is Sukeerti Dwivedi for NDTV.